Have you ever opened your freezer and found a water bottle split open, ice bursting out the top like it couldn't wait to escape? No one touched it, no one shook it, and yet, boom, frozen chaos. But why? Why does water expand when it freezes, when almost every other substance on Earth shrinks? To understand this, we have to go down, really down, to the microscopic world of molecules. Water, as you probably know, is H2O, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. But that simple formula hides something brilliant. See, the water molecule isn't just a straight line. It's bent, shaped like a letter V, with the hydrogen atom sticking out at about a 104.5-degree angle. Now, that shape creates tiny electrical imbalances. One end of the molecule is slightly positive, the other slightly negative. And this creates what scientists call hydrogen bonds, invisible attractions between water molecules, like little magnetic pulls that keep them interacting in very special ways. In liquid water, the molecules are zipping around, colliding, moving in all directions. There's no order. It's like a crowded dance floor where everyone's doing their own thing. The molecules are close, constantly moving, no fixed pattern. But when the temperature drops and we approach 0 degrees Celsius, something fascinating happens. The molecules begin to slow down. They lose energy. And instead of dancing wildly, they start to lock into a pattern, forming a crystal structure. This structure is rigid and spaced out, because of those hydrogen bonds. They hold the molecules further apart than when they were moving freely as a liquid. So what does that mean? It means that the same amount of water now takes up more space. It expands. Ice is less dense than liquid water, and that's why it floats. It's also why freezing a sealed bottle can lead to cracks or explosions. The water is trying to grow into a shape that no longer fits its container. This might seem like a weird little scientific quirk, but in reality, it's one of the most important features of life on Earth. Because ice floats, lakes and oceans freeze from the top down. The surface becomes solid, but the water underneath stays liquid for longer, giving fish and aquatic plants a chance to survive even in the coldest winters. If water behaved like most substances and got denser as it froze, the ice would sink, lakes would freeze solid from the bottom up, and entire ecosystems could collapse every winter. So yeah, your cracked water bottle is kind of annoying. But it's also a reminder of just how amazing water really is. Simple, clear, ordinary looking, but hiding one of the strangest, and most life-saving, properties in the universe. So next time you see an ice cube floating in your drink, take a moment. You're not just looking at frozen water. You're looking at one of nature's most beautiful exceptions. Follow me for more science behind the small stuff. That changes how you see the big picture.